Hello friends. Welcome to my YouTube channel and Facebook page. Today, I will show you how to change LAN IP address in Cisco Wi-Fi router. Let's go start. First, connect your mobile or computer to the router and open a web browser and type your router default IP address. Then log into the menu option with the administrator ID and password. Then click on Configure LAN settings on the option. In the LAN IP field, type in the new IP address you want to use. Scroll down and click the Save button. Wait for rebooting device and reconnect router with new IP address. If you are first visiting my YouTube channel and Facebook page, please subscribe, like, follow and notify the bell icon. Click and see your next updated video.